So here's an overall dimension of how the fence should be weaved diagonally. So you're gonna go about 5 diamonds out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and roughly here is where you're gonna find your finish point. And the idea is that you go in one, out one, in one, out one. So zoom in a little bit here. You kind of find where your angle is gonna work. So we're gonna go in here, out, go in here, out, go in here, out, go in here, and then you kind of move it so that it works for you. But this is the way it goes. Move this fence, Edmondson. Okay, in one, out one. 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 Empújalo acá, Ernesto, donde está mi mano. In one, out one. Have someone, usually you have to do it between 2 people. In one, out one, in one, and that's our finish. That's our finished fence. Push it a little more. It can be a bit confusing, so it's something you really kind of have to pay attention to. And if you cut the wrong one, that's when it becomes